Okay, so next we're going to talk about the Telrad on the telescope. The point of the Telrad is to provide a wider field of view to find objects in the sky. It's first to turn on the Telrad. It's on a dimmer switch, so the more you turn it, the brighter the target field will get inside the Telrad. And that's going to be useful for brighter or dimmer stars or different objects in the sky. Once you turn on the Telrad, you want to move the camera around and see an object in the sky to focus on, like a star. The star you want to put in the middle of the bullseye on the Telrad, and hopefully it will also be in the middle of your eyepiece when you look into it.
What do I do if it's not in the middle?
So there's a procedure to follow if your Telrad and your telescope are not aligned. The first thing you can try to do is you can try to play around and make sure that you're pointed at the right object and then the Telrad's pointing at the same object. But if you can't tell that it's pointing at the same thing, that probably means that your Telrad's not aligned. So to align the Telrad, you have to point it at a distant object, like a known object in the horizon, and then you have to center it in your telescope first, in the eyepiece first, and then with that you can go to your Telrad and try to center it in the middle of the target in your Telrad by adjusting these 3 screws over here.
Hey, it works.
Okay, and now that your Telrad's aligned, you can start occultating.